How to make your Snapchat private. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily make your Snapchat account private. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you land on your Snapchat page, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, just tap on the gear icon at the top right to head over to your settings menu. Now here are some of the settings that you need to tweak to make your account private. Scroll down a bit until you find the privacy control. Tap on contact me and make sure that it's set to only friends so that only your friends can contact you and not other people. Then you just have to tap on your story settings and make sure that this is also set to friends only. It will ensure that only your friends will be able to see your story and not the public eye. Now finally, you can just tap on the comment settings, and here you can choose auto approve my friends, and other people will have to be approved by you. Now scroll down until you see activity indicator and make sure that you turn it off. So this will make sure that no one will know when you are active on Snapchat, which will also ensure that your account will become private. And these are some of the settings that you can change to make your account private on Snapchat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.